It's just amazing. We just absolutely love it, and it just makes the whole back of the house just pop.
People walk by and they tell us how much they like it and what an improvement it is from what was here before.
They gave us exactly what we needed to get our project done, and we just could not be more pleased with it.
I'm super proud of these planter boxes. I think they really came out nice.
I found the GenStone product to be very easy to work with. I really think it improved the looks of the house.
I just used a regular handsaw to cut the stuff, and I used like a hacksaw blade for fine, intricate cuts. Very happy with it.